Hello guys, today I'll be explaining this particular question. The question says given that V is equal to the root of GD open bracket Y plus 3H all over D close bracket, and so we're to make D the subject of the formula, and hence we are to evaluate D if we're given that Y is 9.8, H is 15, V is 5, and G is 1. So let's get right into it. Okay, so for those of you that have not subscribed to my channel, I'm saying please click on subscription. Like you can see here, just click on, so you don't have to pay. Just click on subscription for you to get more content like this. You click on like, and also you click on share. You can share to your friends and your neighbors. Thank you very much. So let's get right into it. So the solution, like the question said, we should make D the subject of the formula. So the first step here is to square both sides, and the reason is because we particularly want to remove this root. Particularly we want to remove this root because we cannot go for further without removing the root. So first of all, we strike out this square and the root, and it goes. So finally we have V square equal to GD open bracket Y plus 3H over D. So here there's no root. So in our next step, we multiply the bracket. We open the bracket by what? Multiplying GD by what? Y, and what is inside the bracket. So finally we have what? V square equal to what? GDY plus GD times 3H all over what? D. So if you strike out D, if you strike out D, we finally have what? V square equal to what? GDY plus 3GH. So now in our next step, we move 3H to the left hand side because we're looking for we want to make D the subject of the formula, so we don't want D to be with any of the alphabet. All right, so we move 3H to the left hand side, 3H from the right hand side to the left hand side. So there's an arrow I indicated here, this sign to show the movement. So we have V square minus 3GH equal to GDY. Thank you. So the final step to solving this question is divide both side by what? Exactly what we don't want, right? So we don't want GY with D. So we divide both side by what? GY, and we have this. So to recap everything, right, from the first step down to the final step. So we have this, that's the solution in general. We have V square equal to, so this is the first step, that's taking the square of what? Both side, right? Taking the square of what? Both side, so that we cancel out the root. So we have this. So when you cancel out the root, you have what? V square equal to GD open bracket Y plus 3H over what? D. Okay, so the next step is what? You remove your D, right? Because here the major denominator here is D. So you don't want this D because you want the equation to be what? Linear. So D is cancelled out, and we have what? V square equal to GDY plus 3GH, right? So in the next step, we move G, move 3GH, we move 3GH to the left hand side. So we have V square minus 3GH equal to what? GDY. So if you divide both side by what? GY, finally we have V square minus 3GH all over what? GY as the what? Subject of the formula. So in the final step, we're asked to what? Substitute 9.8 for Y, 15 for H, 5 for V, and G for what? 1. So remember that our new formula is now what? D equal to V square minus 3GH all over what? GY. So for V is 5, so we fix 5 as V minus, this is a 3, this is a part of the question, part of the formula. So G as what? 1, and H is 15. So if you multiply 3 times 15, you have what? 45. And 1 times 9.8 is 9.8. So finally, 15 minus 45 gives us 20. 20 divided by 9.8 gives us minus 20, sorry. Minus 20 divided by 8 is what? Minus 2.04. So this is it. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. I would appreciate if you share and comment. Thank you very much.